I'll be giving you one word. For example, apple. Okay? It finishes with E. You will tell me one word with E. For example, elephant. Very good. It finishes with elephant. Word finishes with what letter? Elephant. T. T say. Now T say. You will not stand. Temple. Very good. Temple finishes with E. Yes? Now you will give me. Okay, now we start the game. Ready? Understood? Yes, Navya? Are you clear with the game? You have to play actively, okay? Okay, I'm giving you one word. Superman. Okay, and you will first discuss and speak. ऐसा ना हो कि पांचों के पांचों words बोले. Now E, nose. किससे finish होता है? E से एक word मिलके बोलिए. हाँ जी. Elephant. One of you raise your hand. You have to raise your hand first. Tiger. Very good. R. Only raise your hands. You are no. Rat. He said rat. Yes. Temple हो गया. Next word. Come on quickly. No cartoons. Okay, you tell me. Tub. Give me good words. Okay. B. Sit down. Give me good words. Okay, wait. Okay. एक word बोलिए. सब लोग ने एक word बोल दिया. Let's say Saksham ने बोला ball. Ball finishes with Riddhi will tell me one word with L. Come on, Riddhi. Good girl. Huh? Wow. Lion. Now lion finishes with N. Aveka will give me one word. Yes. Sit down everyone. N. Come on. Discuss कीजिए. Discuss उसके काम में बोलिए. Nurse क्या करती है? आपको पच्ची लगाती है, इंजेक्शन भी देती है. Nurse finishes with very good. Nurseria. E. Eagle. Very good. Eagle क्या होता है? Eagle is a bird. It finishes with E. Very good. England. It's a country. England. Okay. England बोला. Radhika. England बोला. किससे finish हो रहा है? Now you speak a word for D. Dog. Okay. Bobo dog. G. Everyone. Grass. What is grass? Everybody knows you play on grass. Shreya. Switzerland. ये तो countries पे आ गए सब लोग.
स्विट्जरलैंड.
Okay. Come on.
किससे एंड होता है?
Donkey. Okay, she said donkey. Who's a donkey? Yes. Y से. Radhika Y से. Yacht. Very good. What is a yacht? किसी को पता है yacht क्या होता है? उसकी spelling पता है किसी को? किसी को समझ में आया कि yacht क्यों है? This is yacht. जो बोट होती है जिसके ऊपर yacht लगा होता है, जिसके ऊपर क्या लगा होता है? फ्लैग लगा होता है. वो विंड से चलती है yacht हमारी. क्या लगा होता है इतना बड़ा उसके ऊपर? Okay, next word. Yacht. T से बोलिए फटाफट से. सृष्टि. T से बेटा. T से.
Say all the words that we have done. We have done so many words.
Tomato. O. Okay. O. New word. Give me new word. No, that is with AU Australia. Wrong.
Orange. Now, which letter? You will start. Yes.
Orange.
E से बोलो. बोलो.
Come on, everyone else. E से अपनी डिस्कस करो. टीम से E से word कान में डिस्कस कीजिए. सक्षम. Elephant हो गया. Come on, E से discussion करो.
England.
English. Okay, English word.
English. So it which letter?
Africa.
Africa. Now which letter?
A.
Apple. एक minute. Which letter, Dhriti? Apple. It ends with which letter? Quickly. Huh? Apple. E. So now say a word with E. Egg. Very good. So egg ends with which letter? Fast. Guitar. Very good. Guitar ends with which letter?
Guitar. Sit down first.
एक second. Guitar ends with which letter? Guitar. Something rolling in your mouth. Very good. R. So tell me which letter? Which word? Rain. Race. Oh, very good. So race. Which letter it ends with? It ends with which letter?
Wait now. Race ends with what letter? Race.
Race.
Only.
Very good. E. Now which word? Come on.
Eat.
Eat. E से कुछ और अच्छे वर्ड बोलो भाई. Eat. Now which
No name.
letter it ends with? Tap. T से कोई और वर्ड नहीं सिखाया मैम ने आपको? Transport. Transport. Use the words that we have done in the word list. Come on. Transport. Now transport it ends with which letter? Very good. T. So come on, tell me a word.
साइंस वर्ड कल किया था हमने, याद है? आजकल बाहर बहुत गर्मी है तो समथिंग इज वेरी हाई. व्हाट इज हाई?
Temperature. Very good. Temperature. Now temperature ends with which word? Which letter? E. बताओ E से क्या वर्ड है? E से एलिफेंट हो गया.
No, alligator starts with A.
एलिगेटर. एलिगेटर नहीं है. एलिगेटर. इंग्लैंड हो गया है. इंग्लैंड नहीं होता है, इंग्लैंड होता है. इट्स इंग्लैंड. कम ऑन. E से गिव मी अ वर्ड फास्ट. गिव मी अ वर्ड विद E. Very good.